In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop in Canva. If you've ever tried to clean up a photo, center a subject better, or make an image fit nicely into your design, cropping is one of the most useful tools you can learn. The good news is that Canva makes this process simple, and you don't need any advanced editing experience to get polished results. To get started, open Canva and go into the project you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, create a new design and open a blank canvas. If your image is not already in the design, head to the upload section on the left side and bring your photo onto the canvas. Once it appears, click on the image one time so Canva knows that's the layer you want to edit. You should see a highlighted border around it, which means it's selected and ready. Next, go to the toolbar above your canvas and click Crop. As soon as you do that, Canva switches into crop mode and places a crop boundary around your image. This is the area you'll use to control what stays visible and what gets trimmed away. Now you can manually crop the image. Click and drag any corner or side of the crop boundary inward to remove unwanted parts of the photo. This is especially helpful if there's too much empty space, distracting background detail, or if you want to bring more attention to your main subject. If you need your image to match a specific format, you can also choose an aspect ratio. In the side panel, look for the aspect ratio option and select a preset like square, widescreen, or vertical portrait. This helps keep your design consistent, especially for social media posts, presentations, or video graphics. One thing that makes Canva especially useful is that cropping is non-destructive. That means the hidden parts of your image are not deleted. If you want to change the framing, click and drag inside the cropped image to reposition it within the visible area. You can also adjust the scale using the corner handles if you want the subject to appear larger or more prominent. If you want something more creative than a standard rectangular crop, go to Elements and find the Frames section. Choose a shape, like a circle or another frame style, and place it on your canvas. Then drag your image onto that frame, and Canva will automatically snap the photo into the shape. This is a quick way to create cleaner, more stylish layouts. Once everything looks right, click Done to apply the crop and save your changes. And that's it. You now know how to crop in Canva quickly, cleanly, and without damaging your original image. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the